All right, folks, we are back, and just like I said, I'll be right back in the lab bringing y'all the latest pickup release. Of course, I'm talking about the Nike Kobe 8 Venice Beach. Just dropped, just picked it off the doorstep today. So we're just gonna dive right into it. Y'all know this is a shoe that just dropped on Mamba Day. Was it 4/16? And this pair comes courtesy, this is a little suspect, like maybe delivery person tried to get me, or did my box just get smashed? Because it's pretty beat, y'all. But the shout out to the folks at the Better Generation. Package looks good though. Shout out to the folks at the Better Generation for a raffle that we used, and this was in their Instagram Stories raffle. So they packed it in their tissue paper. That's pretty dope. The Better Generation, and get right into the shoe. Got the Kobe box that we've been seeing lately. This is the Mamba snakeskin print, kind of debossed into the box. Pretty dope. This is my size. This is size 11 and a half. If you don't know, Kobe 8s size up. You do go true to size, your toes will not be happy. 8 is 11 and a half. I probably could do a 12 actually on this shoe as well. But I'm a big fan of the Kobe 8. This is a shoe that released in 2013 originally. I've wanted it since then. I have a few Kobe 8s already. Talk about a couple of them today, and let's just get into it. I know you've probably seen these already. They've been out online like crazy. People have been getting them. A lot of W's on the sneakers app when they released. I hit this raffle before that, but I was going for the Italian camo because you know they released as well as the Kobe 4 Phillies. Again, like I said before, the Phillies wasn't my jam, but I wanted these and I wanted the Italian camouflage Kobe 6s. So this shoe, supposedly, you know, they did this whole pack, all three of these, and they are the shoes that kind of inspired Kobe to become the player that he is, or that he was. And Venice Beach, he debuted these back in 2013, playing on the courts at Venice Beach, playing outside, you know, that area, the Cali summers, and all of that kind of vibe goes into this shoe. I dig the colorway. I love the material. It's kind of that mesh upper that they have here, all colored with the green and orange and like a little turquoise and gray and yellow. Dope summer shoe, man. Colorful. I think it's just a fresh take. On the Kobe 8, it's got the thin tongue. So there's different tongues on the Kobe 8. We'll talk about that today too. But you got the Mamba logo here. And this is all rubber and synthetic. There's no leather on this shoe at all. But very breathable mesh upper. You got the Kobe logo on the back. You got the big swoosh, small swoosh inside the shoe on the medial side. And then on the lateral side, you got the big swoosh. I love the laces. You get one pair of laces with these. They have a green foam insole. Green foam insole in there, if you can see that. And then on the bottom, we got this kind of translucent outsole. You see the carbon fiber midfoot plate there, and then the Mamba logo on the back. And this is again where that zoom cushioning is in the sole, outsole, you know, in the midsole of the shoe, inside. And there's zoom on the rear of the shoe, and I think there's a zoom pouch in the front as well. So this is a very comfortable shoe. Kobe liked his shoes to fit snug, so that's why they are kind of cut small, because he wanted the shoe, like he said, the Jordan 6, the Kobe 6s, a shoe that molds to his foot. So of course this is the Kobe 8, and he kind of kept that whole thing, that whole mantra as part of his shoe design, with Eric Avar, who was a big designer on this. And of course Kobe was one of the few basketball players to come out with a low top, actually one of the first to come out with a low top basketball shoe. And yeah, I think these are dope. People say, can you rock these with jeans? Can you rock these casually? And I say absolutely. I've always rocked Kobe's casually. You can play ball in them too if you want, but you don't have to be a ball player to rock these. They're comfortable, just a dope colorway. And let me know, did y'all hit on any of the releases? The raffles that were out there, is 20 million raffles, EQL and everything else, $190 on April 16th, as well as a sneakers drop. I know, these were the most plentiful out of the three. Followed next by the Italian Camouflage 6s, and the Phillies were the most scarce. I can't remember the exact numbers off the top of my head, but I know these were over 100,000 pairs. So I saw a lot of Venice Beach W's out there. But so happy to get these in the collection. Love the Kobe 8 and can't wait to get these on foot. And then talking about Kobe 8s, I've had people asking about the tongue difference, because this tongue is like a very thin, it's more like technology. It's a very thin nylon. Looks like some type of polyurethane over top of this tongue with the Mamba logo. But on older Kobe 8s, there's differing versions. So I got these, the Kobe 8 System Christmas, and this pair. This is probably one of my favorite Kobe's of all time. I love this because of the spike, the snake skin. That's just like, it's almost like dragon flesh or something, but it is just fire. But this has the same similar tongue, that thin Kobe tongue there with gold. Just the colorway. Again, this was a Christmas release, and you see it's got the Grinch green, so that ties in back to the Christmas time and Christmas colors. But then also you got it's got the Court Purple 8s that released. That was probably a month ago, if that. And that shoe has the thick padded Kobe 8 tongue. So this is just a different textured tongue, has the padding and cushioning, just different than the thin, that thin tongue that's on this kind of, just seems more tech forward, where this is more comfort forward. But either way, they work. So what do y'all think about the Kobe 8 Venice Beach? Where did this rank out of the releases that came out this past Mamba Day? And of course, we got the Mamba Day celebrating Kobe's last game in April, but the official Mamba Day, which has been 8/24, obviously based on his number, right? And then his birthday is 8/25, I'm pretty sure. It's like the day after that. So anyway, Kobe 8's always a thing that I'm definitely after when they drop. Very comfortable, dope shoe. Let me know what y'all think. And I'll get some on-foot pics up on Instagram as well, at Real Daddy Seed. And remember, like I said, size up in your Kobe 8s. Do not go true to size. Trust me, you don't want your toes screaming at you. All right, y'all. Appreciate y'all. See you on the next one. Peace.